Hello, this is Gordon Amobide or Web of Fortune. On this channel, I teach on how to make money online, how to take advantage of the opportunities that are available in the online space. I'm an online entrepreneur. I'm an author. I write. I'm a ghostwriter. I can help you write a book. If you need a good writer, you can contact me. And other things that you want to write, I'm a copywriter. You can contact me if you have any of those services, and I can help you to do them. But on this teaching, I want to talk about how to register a limited liability in Nigeria. What is a limited liability company? A limited liability company is a type of a business structure that combines both the liability protections of the corporations with the tax flexibility of a partner. In a limited liability company, the owners, also known as members, are not personally liable to the debt and the obligations of the company. This means that members' personal assets are protected in the event of the company's bankruptcy and legal actions. The management structure of a limited liability company can either be managed or managers managed, and profit and losses can be passed through to members and taxes as personal income. How to register a limited liability in Nigeria? To register a limited liability company in Nigeria, you must follow the following steps. Number one, you must choose a unique company name. Conduct a name search and reserve the name you have chosen with the Corporate Affairs Commission. Number two, file a corporation document. Complete and fill the required incorporation document with CAC, including the memorandum and the articles of association and the form CAC 1.1. Number three, appoint directors. Appoint at least 2 directors for the company who are resident in Nigeria. And number four, register for tax. Register the company for federal government inland revenue for tax purpose and obtain a tax identification number. Number five, obtain a business premises and have it registered with the CAC. Number six, publish the company's detail on official gazette or on the national newspaper. Number seven, obtain an approval in principle. With principal in CAC. Number 8, pay the incorporation fee. Pay the required incorporation fee to the CAC. Number 9, receive the certificate of incorporation. Receive the certificate of incorporation from CAC and obtain which confirm that the company is officially registered in Nigeria. Number 10, obtain a business permit and license. From the relevant organization agency, such as the Nigeria Investment Promotion Commission, the Standard Organization of Nigeria, the National Agency for Food and Drug Administrations and Control. And number 11, open a corporate account. Open a corporate bank account in the company's name and deposit the minimum capital required for the type of business you intend to run. Number 12, commercial business operation. After all the required step has been completed, the company can commence its business operation. Number 13, file annual return. File annual return with the Corporate Affairs Commissions to keep the company record update and maintain a good standing. Number 14, comply with the tax obligation. Comply with the tax obligation of the company by filing annual tax returns and paying tax owed to the Federal Inland Revenue. And number 15, keep a proper record of finance and operational record of the company, including accounting record, invoice, receipt, and contracts. Number 16, adhere to the corporate governance rule. Adhere to the corporate governance rule and ensure that the company is run in compliance with the laws and regulations of Nigeria. Number 17, update changes. Notify the Corporate Affairs Commission of any change in the company, such as change in directors, registered office, and business activity. Number 18, hold annual general meeting. Hold annual general meeting to keep members informed of the company's activity and make important decisions. Number 19, maintain a good corporate culture. Maintain a good corporate culture and promote ethical business practices which can enhance the reputation of the company and foster positive relationship with stakeholders. Number 20, protect intellectual properties. Protect the company's intellectual properties such as the trademark, the copyright, and the patent by registering them with the relevant authority And number 21, keep up to date with the laws and regulations. Stay up to date with the laws and the regulations affecting the company and make necessary changes to comply with them. Ensure that number 22, ensure that the company consider ensuring that the company against potential risks, securing the company against potential risks such as property damage, liability claims, and other business risk. Number 23, seek professional advice. Seek professional advice from lawyers, accountants, and other experts as needed to ensure that the company is operating legally and efficiently. Follow these steps and you can ensure a long-term success and growth of a limited liability company in Nigeria. What are the benefits of registering a limited liability company in Nigeria? There are so many. One, the limited liability, members of a limited liability company means that their personal assets are protected from the business debt and obligation. Number two, flexibility, flexible management. A limited liability company have a flexible management structure and can either be members manage or managers manage depending on the need of the business. Number three, tax flexibility. A limited liability offer tax flexibility as profitable as profit and losses can be passed through to members and taxes as personal income. This can result in low overall tax liability from the business. Number four, separation of ownership and management. The separation of ownership and management in a limited liability to ensure that the business decisions are made objectively in the best interest of the company. And a limited liability company is easy to raise fund and capital because of the various members that are connected, that are members of, and it's easier to raise capital to take the business to the next level. Number six, ensure ease of transference ownership. The ownership of a limited liability company easily transferred, making it a good choice for business with multiple owners or those that plans to bring in a new partners in the future. Number seven, access to credit. Registered limited liability company may have a better access to credit as they are seen as more established and stable business by lenders. Number eight, increase in credibility. Registering a limited liability company gives the business increased credibility as as it demonstrates a commitment to operating as a professional and a legal manner. Number 9, protecting of the business. A registry and a limited liability company protects the company's business name, and as the name can only be used by the registered company. And number 10 is perpetual existence. A limited liability company has a perpetual existence, meaning that the company can continue to operate even if the original members are gone. Number 11, separation of personal and business assets. The limited liability structure of a limited liability company helps to separate personal and business assets, which can protect personal assets from the business liability. Number 12, ability to expand. A limited liability company can expand its operation and bring on new members as needed, making it a good choice for business that plans to grow in the future. And number 13 is easy record keeping. Limited liability company typically have fewer record keeping requirements on the other business structure, which can simplify the process of maintaining the company's record. And number 14, improve corporate governance. If the formal structure of a limited liability company helps to improve the corporate governance and ensure that the company is run in a transparent and accountable manner. By registering limited liability company, a business can enjoy these benefits and have a solid foundations for a long-term success and growth. It is important to consider the specific needs and the goals of the business when deciding to register a limited liability company. And if you are interested in registering one, you can contact us and we will help you out. We have a team that we have put together that can help you register one, and my numbers on the WhatsApp is on the thumbnail, and I'll put it on the description so that you can reach us. Please subscribe to this channel. If this video is giving you value, share it, click the bell, hit the red button, and also that the YouTube algorithm can help us share. Also comment in areas that I need to improve on. Thanks.